Today, I'm here to explain about this question. Evaluate the following limits. Limit 1 plus 1 over x to the power of 2x as x approaches infinity. This looks so complicated. You might want to just plug in infinity into x, like 1 plus infinity, 1 over infinity, which is 0 to the power of infinity. Then you might want to answer like infinity, but it's not correct actually, because it's not actually 0, it's actually 0 plus 0 0.000 something, and this is 1 plus some 0 0 0 0 0 something, so which is not like exactly 1, which is a little bit slightly bigger than 1, so you cannot answer like this. So what you have to do, you need to remember this definition. Actually, you have to remember the definition of Euler's number. Do you know the number E, which is close to like 2.7 point something something something, which is really special number. Okay, so there's a definition to find out how to find out E, which is limit as x approaches plus minus infinity 1 plus 1 over x to the power of x. This is the definition of E. So if you don't know about this definition, you can't solve this question. And yeah, E is really difficult and complicated number. So if you want to just solve it, I recommend you to just remember this definition. Actually, it's not that simple. It's not that difficult. This means 1 plus something which is pretty close to 0 to the power of infinity, which is always going to be E. It's so interesting, isn't it? But it's really true. If 1.000001 to the power of infinity, it's really close to 2.7, or it's going to be a really certain number. But anyway, this definition is really important. Okay, so let me explain about it a little bit. What you have to care about is these number. These have to be reciprocal of one another. Okay, and also it can be it can be like that as well, because it's not 0 here, 1 over x, because this one means almost same things as this one, because this one is really close to 0 if x approaches 0, and this one is going to be infinity. So these are saying same things. Okay, so but yeah, what you have to do is to find out this form. So let's work on number 1. Limit 1 plus 1 over x to the power of 2x as x approaches infinity. Yeah, so again, this looks really similar to the definition, so let's try to make it like definition. But like I said, like these have to be reciprocal one of one another. So let's change it a little bit. X to the power of infinity 1 plus 1 over x to the power of x times 2, like this. Then again, this is the definition of E, so it's going to be e to the power of 2. That's it. It's not too difficult, I think, but let me work on one more question. Number 2, limit as x approaches 0, 1 plus 2x to the power 1 over x. This is really close to the definition of like this, 1 plus x to the power 1 over x. So these have to be reciprocal. So let's change a little bit. Oops, not 1 plus 2x to the power 1 over 2x times 2. Okay, then it can cancel, then it's going to be 1 over x, but still the value is same. So anyway, but again, this is going to be e, so this one is e squared.